NSO, National Science Olympiad. Class 6. Latest solved paper of the year, 2022-23. X is to the southwest of Y, L is to the east of X and southeast of Y, and M is to the north of L, in a line with I. In which direction of Y is M located? D. Northeast. Which of the following figures will complete the given figure matrix? Observe the figure matrix carefully. D. If all the vowels are removed from the series given below, then which of the following is the 9th, to the right of the 12th letter from the right end? Q E E E F E B U L A M C D I P Q O R R A P P W I. D. P. Refer to the given flowchart and select the correct option. C. W. Flax. Z. Wool. Which of the following joints is present between thigh bone and shin bone? A. Hinge joint. A small compass is placed beside the middle of a bar magnet. D. 3 glasses P, Q, and R, having an equal amounts of water were taken, and an equal amount of salt was added to each one of them. After that, P was cooled, Q was heated and R was left undisturbed. Water in which glass will now taste most salty? B. Q. 2 boys are standing in front of a plane mirror as shown in the given figure. If boy Y walks 5 meters towards boy X, then how far away would boy Y appear to be in the mirror to boy X? C. 11 meters. Observe the given diagram carefully and fill in the blanks. C. P is melting. Q is boiling. R is condensation. S is freezing. And T is evaporation. A balloon attached to a hollow glass tube was submerged in a container of water as shown here. Rohan placed his mouth over the open end of the glass tube and blew air into it. This experiment tells us that air C. 1 and 2, that is, has mass and occupies space.